Everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Holden. As you can see, it's a VF Commodore SSV, and if I am not wrong, Matchbox did a police car based on the same one. I will have to cross check though. But let's open up this casting and see how does it look. So Holden, I think, was part of GM Group, and this paint I have seen on many different GM cars, especially Cruise. I like the paint. It's very what you will see on the road. It's not necessarily something flashy or very different. And I like how Matchbox has been doing this job where they even in the main line they have good details on the car. And I like having like actual road cars. So from the side, it's Australian, so obviously the driver steering is on the other side. But on the passenger side, you can see the 5-spoke wheels, which don't look bad. Small vent here. It's a proper saloon, so you've got the 4 doors, mirror coming to the front. Again, detailed headlamp, detailed grille, even the fog lamps are detailed. You've got the SSV written on the number plate, so really good details up front. You can even see the windshield wipers and a small hunch in the hood. So good. Now on the driver's side, almost identical to the passenger side, only difference being the fuel filler cap. And if you notice, which you might have, there's no glass in the front windows. You can see the interior, it's done in black, nothing special there. Moving to the back, again, I like how they have added all the details with the tail lamp, with the badges, even the exhaust. They're not detailed, but you got the quad exhaust on the bottom. Small spoiler, a booklet spoiler again, and a shark fin antenna. Overall, I like this casting. I like how Matchbox has been doing for the last few years, where they do road cars, which I prefer because they look more closer to the actual car. They don't have flashy tires like Hot Wheels, and it's understandable. Hot Wheels is focused more on that side, where custom and wider tires, all that stuff. Matchbox is doing more close to reality. Overall, I would say it's a nice casting, and yeah, it's Australian. You don't get that many Australian cars, so you might want to add this to the collection. Thank you for watching.